Prodex Hybrid HDL product line, designed to offer maximum thermal performance, ensure privacy, and extend the lifespan of roofing systems. We developed an insulation solution for buildings with privacy issues and extreme temperatures. We rely on our experience and innovative capacity to create comfortable environments. Our HDL line provides an ideal solution for commercial and residential projects that have a ceiling system. Keep the insulation in a dry place and free from sharp objects. Ensure that the existing roof is free from infiltrations. For the installation of Prodex insulations, all safety requirements for working at heights must be met. For the installation, you will need self-drilling screws, drill, utility knife, 1-inch brush, contact cement, metal strap, the necessary rolls of HDL, and safety equipment. As a safety measure, the insulation should be lifted to the roof using ropes, forklifts, or lifting equipment. In the case of an existing roof, carefully remove the metal sheets from the cover 2 rows at a time. When stacking them, make sure to place them in the same order to ensure they return to their original position. Clean the roof structure before installation to avoid damaging the reflective side of the insulation. Unpack the Prodex insulation only when you're ready to install it. Place one end of the roll on the first support element of the roof structure. Secure it with metal straps and self-drilling screws, ensuring they are evenly distributed along the width of the roll. Advance with the roll in the direction of the roof slope. The HDL rolls have a length of 33 feet. In the case of roof systems with slopes shorter than this measure, save the excess insulation to use in other sections of the roof. Once the roll is in place, tension and align it perpendicularly to the supports of the structure. Ensure that the HDL insulation is not loose. It is important to emphasize that during the installation process with an existing roof, the progress will be in the following proportion. For each row of HDL insulation placed, the space corresponding to 2 rows of the roof cover must be opened. To place the next roll, repeat the process established from step 4 to 7. The HDL insulation features side seals that are ideal for joining the overlaps between rolls. Use a 1-inch brush and contact cement to seal the joints. This step is important to ensure maximum thermal and acoustic performance of the insulation. Continue installing the following rolls until the section of the roof is complete. Try to reuse the excess material from the rolls if necessary. The Prodex Hybrid line of thermal and acoustic solutions provides the opportunity to create spaces with ideal environments for all activities that require privacy and protection against extreme weather. It is a versatile, safe, and easy-to-install product suitable for any construction system. Prodex, leaders in thermal insulation for construction.